Dear customer, we are going to inspect your order of automatic nylon zipper pin box fixing machine with standard configuration. As for this machine, if for 40 cm zipper, the output is 1,400 pieces for 1 hour. As you can see, here is the outlook of this machine. And here is the zipper sample of your accessory order. As you can see in the last few video, we already made the gapping, fill sealing, hole punching on it. Now we are going to make the pin box fixing on it. Okay. Here is the side view of this machine. Here is the nameplate of this machine. You can see the model is QLQ-PBMN and series number is HT190407. In the future, if you have any problems, you can contact with us and provide for the model number and series number. Then we will check it and solve the problems for you. Thank you. And you can see for this machine, it has pin and box vibrator. And here is the sample of your accessory order. Here is the box. And here is the pin. For this one, it is the control panel of the vibrator, the true vibrator of the pin box. As you can see, if I open, and then the pin box will light up. You can see, light up. This one, you can see the pin also. You can also adjust the speed of the pin and box. Slowly and quicker. Slowly, quicker. Slowly and quicker. Don't need to focus. Okay, we will show you the working situation of this machine. Okay, we will slow down the speed. We slow down this speed a little fast. Okay, we will show you the working situation. Just put the start. We will stop and show you the result. You can see the pin box already fixed. Other side. Okay. If you have any problem about this machine, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.